Are you guys ready for what's cooking with Nate?
Hey yo, what's cooking? Hey yo, what's cooking with Nate? Hey yo, what's cooking? Hey yo, what's cooking with Nate? Hey yo, what's cooking? Hey yo, what's cooking with Nate? Look, I don't know, just peep the show so you can get you a plate. Hey yo, what's cooking? Hey yo, what's cooking with Nate? Hey yo, what's cooking? Hey yo, what's cooking with Nate? Hey yo, what's cooking? Hey yo, what's cooking with Nate? Look, I don't know, just peep the show so you can get you a plate.
So here's a stolen moment in the kitchen. Caught my wife making some tuna patties. Tuna patties. So here she goes. She put some flour in, some mustard, some of that Louisiana fish fry with the blue label. And then I cut up the celery. She put more tuna fish in it. Apparently that bowl was getting too small. So here's the onions, the green onions, and the celery. I chopped it up. She put some pepper in there, some minced garlic. Couple scoops of that, maybe two tablespoons. The green onions, that's for me, because I'm a green onion type of guy. Celery, I eat celery too. She's gonna put the onions in later. She's gonna do my little pieces first. Me and onions ain't friends like that, you know what I'm saying? So, I'm gonna hurry up and try to walk you through this, but I promise you I will make this tuna patty myself in a later video because she was hungry and she wasn't waiting, so I had to hurry up and get in there. So we got more of the fish fry, a couple scoops of mayonnaise. I got my celery in there. So she started it, right? Then she's gonna get out of my way and I'm gonna put it in a bigger bowl because that little bowl got too small. I crack an egg and put it in there. So now she's trying to stir it up and then she's gonna like, yo, you can take over, sir. There you go. Put it in a bigger bowl, throw another egg in there, another can of tuna, and let me go ahead and mix it up. Now, she gonna put her onions in there. Now we got a hot skillet ready. Now, mix it up, put a little ball in there, and just kind of dice it down, chop it down like that, make it like a patty. Fry it in that hot oil, that's olive oil. Make sure it's sizzling. There's another patty. Now these can be great snacks. They can be your protein for your meal or whatever. You can eat them by yourself. So right now she just chopping them down to make them stretch out a little bit, and just fry them like you're frying a piece of fish. Then they're gonna brown. You flip it over. Look at that one trying to stay together. Got a little meal in it. Then flip that one over. Just brown it. Yep. These things are delicious too. Look at that bubbly. Sizzling. Yeah, we call them tuna patties. You know how you do salmon croquette? But no, this is tuna. That's two large cans of tuna. She got the onions, the celery, and green onions in there. So this first batch is mine. So flip it, see how it brown, get a little crispy. This one here gonna get a little stupid here, so gotta work with that one. It's always one in the crowd that don't want to act right. Every crowd has them. Other than that, it's still gonna get eaten. Look at that, brown them, sizzle till they're brown. Got the little crust on them. There it is. See, that's ready right there. Bam. These mine right here. Payao. So I'm talking about them things are delicious. Yep, there it is. That's the stubborn one still in the skillet. Don't want to act right. Probably gonna get eaten first. Look at that crispy. Ooh-wee. I can taste them just looking at them. Wow. Just brown them till you like it, man. Awesome, awesome, awesome.